How to find and connect with family on Facebook. In order to do that, head over right here to your homepage and then search in here for a relative that you know of. So, for example, search in here for Tiara and then just input your family's surname and then just look for that person. I haven't heard this person. You can see that they have in here a lot of search results as well. So if this one is right for you, just locate for the right person or relative. Now from in there, you can just scroll down and then look for their friends if it's actually public. If it's not public, you can head over and then look for another relative. So for example, let's head over and then use another option for this one. So for example, we have in here this one that has some friends. So just click on the see all friends and then you can try searching right here for your surname. And then from in there, just add those people that are actually your family. So click on this add friend right here in order to add them. So that's how you find and connect with family on Facebook. Hope we help.